Now that you have your cam sites enabled, you should start adding your models. Click on Add New Performer Account button. The username must be unique and is what the model will use in order to authenticate either in the web panel or in the other apps. It is absolutely mandatory that the password is longer than 6 characters, that it contains both letters and a digit. You can add an internal email for this account or studio email, generally what staff will use when creating accounts on cam sites, and or a mail address used for password recovery. Telephone number is used for information when displaying the performer, and is also important for Romanian clients, if they chose to use the SMS packages. First and last name are needed, especially if you will use the work contract or invoices paying system. It's mandatory that these fields are correct, exactly as in the model's ID card. Nickname or stage name. To protect the security of the models between each other, we will not display the full names, but only the nicknames, in places like Wall of Fame, etc. The Social Security number. This field currently supports the Romanian standard, and it's used for invoices or work contract and automatically detect models' birthday. In most studios, models are assigned a shift and a room in the studio, so they always work in that room. However, in other studios, models log in where a room is free, when it's free. Depending on your studio's business model, you can either assign a room for the model or not. This software's principles are eliminating chaos and add healthy principles of work behavior. So, for each model, you can configure exactly how many shifts she must work, and how many hours and minutes per shift she must be online. If you use a referral system, you can add the person that recommended the model and set the percentage of the new model's earnings as a commission. After setting up the new model account, the next step is to configure the cam site for this performer. It is very important for every model account to have at least one active cam site account, otherwise she will not be able to use the performer software. As information needed when adding an account, you must add the username or email address used for login, the password. It is kept encrypted with our custom proprietary algorithm, so don't worry about the security issues. A PIN code and direct link if the website gives you direct login links for your models. Add a picture for your model. And then configure the performer's payment options.